my name is Kelsey and I'm an esthetician here in Orange County, and today we're super excited to show you guys how to do an at-home nose and ear wax. So for today's ears and nose wax, we're gonna be using GiGi's hard wax beads. Those are golden honey beads, so it's gonna be super pretty to watch and super fun. So when you're waxing the nose or the ear, you're gonna wanna use hard wax. You're gonna wanna use a stick that has a really thin tip at the top. That way it can fit inside those small areas. After you apply the wax to the tip of the stick, you're going to place it in the front area of the nostril or the ear. You're gonna wanna be starting at the front part, so then you can, after that application, move closer to the back. When waxing the nose or the ears, you're going to want to use your opposite hand from the one that you're using to wax somewhere else on the head to just make sure you have your client nice and steady before you pull. When you're going to pull the stick out, you're gonna wanna grab it as tight as you can and pull as quickly as possible. You want it to be super fast. That'll leave them with the least amount of pain. When waiting to see if it's time to pull your stick or not, you're gonna wanna use your hand to just dab the wax a little bit that you can see popping out of the area and see if it's nice and firm. Once it is, you're ready to pull. When waxing the ear canal or the nose, you're not gonna wanna do more than 2 to 3 waxes in that area. Thanks for watching our ear and nose wax today. For more information or to shop GiGi's products, just visit them at gigispa.com.